I'm just come and cook with me. I'm just come and cook with me. I'm just Hey everybody, we are going to be making some crispy baked chicken wings in the oven. So you want to go ahead and get your chicken, make sure it's clean to your preference, and you want to make sure it's patted dry. And we're going to be using the Zatarain's chicken fry mix, alright? Awesome. I love that. I really do. I'm not getting paid for it, but I do like it. And I want mine a little spicy, so I'm going to be using some cayenne pepper. Now, you do not have to put that in there, so just don't if you can't take any heat. Alright, and I would suggest not adding any seasonings into that flour mixture. You're going to also need some canola oil or whatever oil it is that you like to use. You're going to want to put some oil onto your chicken. I just kind of eyeballed it right here. Just poured a little bit on there. And you want to mix that chicken up with the oil so it's coated all over your chicken. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I was tongue-tied and stuff. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day, and I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when Just T is uploading another video, y'all, okay? So right there, I'm just eyeballing a little cayenne pepper. And actually, y'all, when I even made that, I put about a teaspoon of cayenne pepper into that little bit of mixture. It really wasn't hot. It wasn't. So I'm just mixing that up. And then you're going to go ahead and coat your chicken with the flour. And I have myself a baking pan right there. I'm just pouring out some of the little oil on there to put at the bottom of the pan. I would suggest if you have a baking pan, like a cookie sheet or something, use that. It's going to be more better than this pan right here. Because you don't want your chicken to stick to the bottom. And you want to go ahead and preheat your oven for 375. And so here I'm just coating my chicken in a little baggie, a little Ziploc bag. This is a real quick and very easy recipe, you guys. So quick, but it was so good. And the chicken does come out crispy. It comes out very crispy. And so there you just want to go ahead and lay your chicken on your pre-greased pan, or you can use the spray, the cooking spray, you know, like the canola oil or whatever kind of cooking spray that you have. You can also use that. And I had some canola oil in the spray can, but I just went ahead and used a little oil because I had a good bit in that little bowl, so I didn't want to waste it. Okay. And then you're going to go ahead and pop these into that oven at 375, you guys. Now, I'm not going to give you guys a time as to how long to cook yours for or how long it took mine to cook for. Because you want to make sure before you eat this chicken, listen to me close, that it's at 165 internal temperature. And when the juices run clear. So right there, you see I have my oven set to 375. I'm going to go ahead and just put that on in the oven. Close it on up. And let it cook. I think I let my chicken cook for about 35 to 40 minutes, you guys. And you see that? Look at that. It's crispy. It's crispy, y'all. It was, I promise you. It was very crispy and it tasted really, really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, you guys, stay forever blessed. It is Just T. Look at that chicken. Look at that. Look at that chicken, y'all. I swear to goodness. Oh, my mama. It was really good. It was definitely a keeper. Stay blessed, y'all. I'm out.